The final thing we would like to show you is how to print or save information for your patient. In this case, we go here, we press on this triangle, and first let's select conclusion. We select the date, so the conclusions from different dates can be selected. You select the one you want, we press OK. This is how the conclusion looks like. There will be usually several pages, so you can look them through. And finally, you can save them as a PDF file, giving the name and usually the date. We usually do it to send it by email to a patient if necessary. Now it will show us in PDF form. So this is the PDF file we created. It has all the information that we have put into conclusion. All the recommended things, all the bad things that we have found, all the ettalon processes. The second possibility that we also use is printing it for the patient. We press it once, and it will go to your printer if it's operational. The second thing we can do, we can also save or print out the results, so basically the pictures of the organs. We select them, we check the ones we want to print from the left, the organs you want to show to the patient, they will be printed with markers, so that's especially beneficial. And we use this function, printing selected organs. Before, we can set how much do we want per page, 6 images or 4 images. Let's select 6 in this case. This is how it will look like. So we have a total of 4 pages. You can see the names of the organs, you can see the name of the patient, you can see the date of print, and most importantly, you can see the markers, the zones. Again, the same principle, you can save it as PDF or print it out. Usually we print it out for our patients, but it is of course up to you. An additional function that we have is to see the biorhythms of the selected patient. They are based on his or her date of birth and if it's a man or a woman. It is purely time-based, and there are 3 characteristics here. We can see current months or equal halves of the months, we can see a period, and we can see physical, blue, smart or mental, green and emotional as red. As a result, we can see the days in which this patient should avoid some activities because they could be extra stressful for him or her that day. We can also print it out for the patient and also save it out as PDF or print it via a printer. This is additional, but sometimes we use it to supplement the information that we have gathered. This would be all about the main characteristics of this software and device. So we started with testing organs, we analyzed the problems. After you already have an idea of the analysis, when you analyzed all the steps starting from express monitoring, the whole body, going through the systems, and then going through every organ that you have chosen, you bring all the information into conclusion. Based on that information, you can treat the patient. There are 3 main types or ways of treatment. The first one is selecting medicines from the internal or the external method. Second is creating spectronozodes, usually against bacteria, microorganisms, or spectronozodes of healthy organs. And third is bioresonance therapy, both deep bioresonance and monotherapy. After this is done, we have completed our task with this patient for 1 day. This is all for now.